Namaste yogis. In today's video, we are talking about our two main energy channels. The right nostril contains sun energy. The left nostril contains moon energy. These two nostrils, right and left, are not ordinary. This contains some powerful energies which is beyond your imagination. Sun energy, which is in your right nostril, contains fire element. The fire element ensures that you live a life of confidence, strength, stamina. Your food is easily digested. If you want to give any presentation, you want to communicate with anyone, you want to take some step, you want to go out and arrange some meeting, so you have to do this in your action mode. The action mode is associated with your sun energy. So the moon energy is a symbol of relaxation, coolness. Suppose you want to love someone. Suppose you want to convince anyone. Suppose you want to take some deep sleep, some deep relaxation. That should be covered under your moon energy. Because moon energy is associated with your parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is also associated with your vagus nerve. On the other hand, the sun energy is also called sympathetic nervous system. So if you face so much anger in your personality, if you have ego issues, if you fight with someone very usually, if anybody can disturb you, it means that you are under the influence of your sun energy. And you need to shift your focus on the moon energy. In yoga, we need to balance our both energies, sun and moon. When these two energies are balanced, we feel a state of relaxation, peacefulness, enlightenment. That means that we are ready to explore ourselves. We want to realize ourselves better. That is also called your Sushumna Nadi. If both nostrils are balanced, it means the energies goes into Sushumna Nadi, the main energy, the powerful Nadi of your system. When both are running equally, it means that you need to meditate. Under the influence of your Sushumna Nadi, stay away from any type of work, any type of activity. At that time, you need to stay inside or do some meditation, dhyan, some focus. That is your Sushumna Nadi. If you are living a life of dullness, depression, anxiety, unnecessary fears, or you are lying on a bed, you don't want to do anything, means your moon energy is overactive. You need to shift to the sun energy so that you can challenge yourself. You can take some action. Your sun energy should be activated in morning and afternoon. And after that, your moon energy should be activated. Because in mornings, we need some kind of action. We need to carry out our responsibilities. We need to give out some presentations. We are going to hold some meetings. That should be under the influence of your sun energy. When you return home, now you need to relax your body. You need to just spend some time with your family members so that you can sleep better. At that time, your moon energy should be activated. Now the question comes, how to check which energy is activating right now? Place your palm below your nostril and exhale fast. You will easily find that one nostril is more activated. Suppose if right nostril is more activated, it means you have to do some action work. Go for some work, do your duties, do your responsibilities, do some meetings, communicate with somebody. When you start an action in your sun energy, it gives you 100% success rate. On the other side, if left nostril is activated, go for some sleep, go for some reading habit. If you want to study, if you want to focus, do this in your moon energy and you will get the maximum success rate again. So we can see we can choose our actions based on our energies. And the most important, when these two nostrils are running equally, congratulations to you. It means that it's time to meditation. At that time, don't do any kind of activity. Simply go in nature and do some kind of meditation. Yoga talks about the balance of life, the balance of your energies, emotions. So next time, when you choose your actions, when you choose your any work, check your nostril, check your energy. Stay blessed. Om Shanti.